welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and like this video, you guys. Alright, first and foremost, excuse the nails. I'm actually taking them off, and it is actually a perfect timing because today I'm going to be unboxing this nail drill, and I believe the company that sent it is called Alipret, and you can obviously get this on Amazon. Well, not obviously, but you can get this on Amazon, you guys. I believe this drill is under 40. I want to say it was $38.99, but I will link it down below in the description box, you guys. Supposedly, from what the email said, is that it doesn't really make a lot of noise and it's not a lot of vibration, opposed to a lot of other least expensive drills. So this is actually a less expensive drill, so I'm actually really excited because I wouldn't mind having a backup drill for my Mani Pro just in case, because my Mani Pro has to be charged. Sometimes it goes out and I'm like, oh no. I've had moments where that happens, so it would be good to have one just in case. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and stop rambling because I know you guys just want to get into the video. So it just has a manual here. I'm pretty sure I know how to use the drill, so it's just gonna leave that there. So this looks like the actual, oh, okay, I was gonna say, okay, so this looks like the actual, I don't know what this is called, the little machine, the engine. I got a little piece of hair from my hair, you guys. I just dyed my hair and I feel like I need to dye it again. Sorry. Okay, so this is the little machine. It has a little brand name here, and we have the on and off switch here. So this kind of reminds me of Melody Susie Scarlet Drill, you guys, and I've always wanted to try it out, so I'm glad that I got a replica to it. This is the reverse and forward button, so it's very smooth. Oh, and this, okay, sorry, my camera just turned off, so we are back in business. So what I was saying is that this, it looks like the Melody Susie Scarlet Drill, and I was basically just saying this is the on and off switch, and it's a very smooth button. Both of them are, and right here it's really cool that you can put your bits. So I do have my bit right here. See if they fit. Ooh, I like this. Put some more. So we got another one here. It's an older bit. And we got one of these little cuticle bits. So that's really cool. I like that right there. Very easy. Of course, make sure they're sterilized before you put them on there. And it looks like, okay, so this machine goes up to 30,000 RPM. Trying to stay in focus here. 30,000 RPM, 0 to 30,000. And this one says 3, 5, 10, 15, 20,000, 25,000 to 30,000. So here it looks like you put the handpiece on there, and I believe this is going to be for like plugging it in, and this is for the foot pedal, which I don't even use, so we're not even gonna worry about that. Power LED. Okay, so that's what's that. What is in here? Wow, there's other stuff in here. Oh look, I didn't even see this. Lucky customer gift, enjoy your life. May happiness find you everywhere just like we do. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. I love the fact that this has standing bands. That's always a good thing. Great gift right there. So it's a lot of them too. So here goes the plug-in. Okay, yeah, so I was right. You're gonna have to plug it into, let me see. Gotta undo this. And then it doesn't seem very long, so I hope it is. You can plug this part in here. Oh no, sorry. This part right here, the other part is for the handpiece. Alright, so that part's done. So we have a little brush. So this brush came in the package, and it's just a pretty little blue brush for dusting off. The pedal that I'm pretty sure I'm not using because I never do, never have, never will. This is to hold the handpiece, and the basic little bits that come with it that I honestly never use, but I do use these. sanding bands, and then I always use this little part so you can put the sanding bands in, so I always actually use that part. Okay, and then the important part is the handpiece, which I'm really excited to see. I'm just throwing it at the side of me. Okay, so feels lightweight, but oh, this is like the one I used to use, you guys, when I started doing nails. So this handpiece looks a little bit bigger than my Mani Pro, but this is kind of like the same kind I used to use for doing nails when I started. If you take a look at my Mani Pro, it's a little bit of a difference, just a little bit. They're kind of similar, but not all the way. This one's a little bit more narrow than theirs, just for comparison. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in to the handpiece. So the handpiece is right here. It says hand. This is just a little mandatory temporary little things, because if you supposedly, I think I heard this from, is it Koopa? Yeah, so Koopa's Mani Pro suggests you leave this one in there so that it doesn't damage it while there's nothing on it. But I am going to just put this one and see. Okay, so that's a smooth way to, sometimes okay, so when I used to have cheap drills or try cheap drills, you guys, it didn't feel like this smooth to like turn it. Even my Mani Pro is starting to feel kind of weird when I close it like that. So it has the lock, the unlock and lock, so it's locked now, so it's good to go. And we just have to plug this little baby in, but look at that. That's actually cool. You can like put that in there. I like that a lot. Okay, so let me plug it in. I'm really excited to use it. Okay, so I noticed that the little LED power button, or the little light button went on, or little light, whatever. It's a little red, so that means it's on. So go forward for me since I'm right-handed, and then let's see, so it's on 0 right now. So on off, so it's on now because the lights. Let me see. You know what? I'm used to leaving it out and open like that because of my Mani Pro, but maybe I should stick it all the way in because it was making a weird noise. I guess it just makes it because it's still doing it. My Mani Pro, I don't know if it makes it. Let me just compare. So let's turn this off, and I'm going to turn on my Mani Pro. I feel like it's a lot more silent, but obviously for a $400 drill, obviously it's going to be more silent. So it's actually not as bad, the noise for this one, which is just $39, $38.99. So okay, what am I doing here? Sidetrack. Why isn't it going? What happened? Am I having a blonde moment? I don't know what happened. It's not turning on now, but it's plugged in. Oh, I'm so blonde. Okay, I'm not really blonde, but, and if you're blonde, sorry, I don't mean that. I used to get called a blonde a lot in high school, and now you see why. Okay, so it was like right there. That's why I'm like, what the heck did I do wrong? Okay, so forward. So like I said, I like to leave it out a little bit. So I'm gonna just, let me see, where should I put it? Let me put it really low, like when you're removing, okay. Like if you were just removing the shine, I don't know if that would be good. All right, so I'm gonna pretend like, okay, right now I have it at like 3,000 RPMs. I got fuzz all over me. So that's really slow. So I'm gonna go to 5,000 RPMs. And this is just a fine drill bit, so I'm gonna switch it because I want to really see what this bad boy can do. So let's switch. Where's my other one? I don't know where it is. I wanted to get a 3X. I'm gonna get a new bit of mine and I'll just use that. All right, so I got a haul coming up, you guys, for Amazon. So you'll probably see one of, I don't know if you'll see this one before this video or the Amazon video after, but Amazon haul. So I was gonna haul you guys, but I'll haul you guys this early. So this one is, oh, I just threw it. I think it's the 3. This one is the, where is it? Because I got a XX. Oh, this is the 3X. So this is the first time I think I've bought the 3X. Which means, ooh, it's really sharp. That's what that means. So I hope that it works with this. Go back to 5,000. It actually is pretty light, to be honest. It is very light. But I think it needs to go higher. Nope, higher. Okay, I have it at like 10. It's not like, because I'm trying to do a soak off, but it's like stalling, and I don't know if it's because it's too low. So let me go on. I don't know if 15,000 is too much for it. I think 15,000 is pretty high. It feels much more different, obviously. Like I said, this is a $39 drill opposed to my $400 Mani Pro. So I'm gonna put it lower and see if maybe it'll help stop stalling. So I'll put it at 10. Okay, it does feel a little bit different, but I feel like it's still stalling. I mean, it's doing the job, but I feel like I wouldn't be patient. Okay, I put it all the way to 1750, I guess. It's in between 15 and 20,000 RPMs. You can hear when it's making noise, and when it stops making noise, it's because it's trying really hard to work. Really hard. Honestly, I think I would be here all day if I just use this drill. Because right now I have it at, wait, it's at 20. I'm not saying it's gonna not work because it's working, but I guess when you know a good drill, you can just tell. It's gonna take me more time to soak all this off. For a beginner, I would suggest it. For someone that has been doing nails for a long time, I wouldn't suggest it because it would bother you. I feel like it's so loud. And when I go like this, with my Mani Pro, it doesn't bother me. But doing it like that, I feel so much vibration. Alright, I think we tried it enough. It's not going to be strong enough to do a soak off. And to me that's really important, removal of nails. So, oh, it's everywhere. If I had to rate this drill from 1 to 10, honestly I would give it a 5. Because it does the job just like my old drill used to, and I still did nails and I still made money, but I feel like I got way better when I have gotten my Mani Pro, which is a more expensive drill. This is a, I would say, like a much lower end than obviously my high-end Mani Pro drill. Obviously the price difference is dramatic. I don't know about the Melody Susie one. I've heard really good stuff about it, but who knows how good it is in comparison to this. But yeah, for me, I just feel like it's cute and it's nice that it has the little slots here for the bits. I will be using this as a backup drill though, just in case, because you know it still does a thing or two, so it's not bad. But if you are a starter, so yeah guys, I got cut off, but like I said, that's just my honest review. I don't recommend this on somebody that's been doing nails for so long. I only recommend it for somebody that just started and doesn't mind, you know, spending their 40 bucks to try it. Like I said, you could always just save your money and get something more of higher quality. But you know, if you can't, you can't. And if you can, well, just, you know, you can try this out. But yeah, I always recommend, you know, basically investing in your craft, especially in nails. You need your number one tool, I'm sorry, is going to be your drill. And if you're in the situation like I was, get this drill, because I couldn't afford a good drill in the beginning, you guys. I had a more inexpensive one than this, a cheaper one than this, and it was like $25, $30. And I just did what I did with it, but I did notice a higher difference in my work when I did switch to a higher end drill, my Mani Pro drill. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I just want to be honest with you guys, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and you learned a little thing or two from it. And I want to say I love you guys, but I'm going to do a notification shout out before I go. Okay, so for today's notification shout out goes to Allison Topley. She said, I love watching your videos and I love all the colors. Thank you so much for showing. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you guys. Love you guys. If you want a notification shout out, all you have to do is comment down below and hit the post notification shout out button. Don't forget to subscribe at the same time, you guys. And yeah, you might be the next notification shout out. Love you guys and God bless. Bye bye.